Guys, hello guys. You know the one video I just make what my voice is different because that is not my brother and that's me. That's me talking, okay? And don't you know this arrow? I just made it. Look. It just shoot. It super sucks, but why? It just almost break. It's just breaking. I don't know why. I will go hard this will broke. Yes. And I have a thing. I have a make a self my own bow and arrow. This bow and arrow it sucks. I just see it in YouTube and copy it. This is not copy. It's super cool. And look, this is the sick. This is not a made of Lego. I just used chopsticks to build it. The arrow. And look, it's super powerful. Look. Okay, I will shoot it. Did you heard it? It's super cool. And don't you want to build it into tutorial? Don't you want to see it? I will make it tutorial. Okay. And it's have this guys. This have a super cool color blue. I have you run out this that is the not color black. In this and why I just left to this two because I will not no this one guys this one why I just don't carry it because it's hard to make. Do you want to make it in tutorials? Just comment. Just comment. Just like this video. I got 100 likes. I will make it tutorial. And see you now. Bye.